Imagine a seller takes one basic product photo on their phone. No studio, no expensive camera, no photographer. Then AI transforms it into this. Suddenly, it looks like a full professional photo shoot. Studio lighting, lifestyle background, marketplace ready images. Watch till the end to see how you can do the same. Before, building a serious e-commerce brand had a price of entry, professional product photos, a custom website, SEO setup. So you either stretched yourself thin or you made do with what you had. And what you had rarely looked professional enough to compete. That's the gap AI is closing. Here are 3 things AI can do for e-commerce sellers. First, product photos. You upload one simple product image and AI can generate lifestyle shots, improve lighting, remove backgrounds, and create multiple variations automatically. What used to take an entire photo shoot now takes a few minutes. Second, your website. You describe your business in simple language and an AI helps build your website, product pages, mobile layout, and payment setup. Third, SEO. This is where most sellers struggle. Even something as simple as image descriptions helps Google understand your products better. So instead of writing product image, try something like handmade silver jhumka earrings with turquoise stones, traditional Indian jewelry. Amazon Smart Commerce brings all of this into one place. The catalog agent generates professional lifestyle images from a basic product photo. Built-in SEO handles meta tags and site structure automatically. And the website themes are already optimized for mobile shoppers. AI isn't replacing e-commerce sellers. It's removing the biggest barriers that slowed small businesses down for years. The photography, the website, the SEO. All of it is now accessible without a big budget or a technical team.